Hey there, it's Dawg. Hey, today I'm out for a little walk in the woods here in central Massachusetts, and I thought I'd show you some of my favorite places here in central Massachusetts. My wife and I got home from Florida about mid-April, and at that time the pandemic was still pretty prevalent. So we continued to kind of do things outside, not crowded places. And there's a lot of real pretty outdoor places here where we live in central Massachusetts. So I thought what I'd do in this video is show you some of those places. Today I'm in the Brooks Woodland Preserve, which is in Petersham, Massachusetts, right about in the middle of the state, very close to where I live. And I want to show you some clips that are kind of nearby here. In fact, a couple of them are very near the Brooks Woodland Preserve. This is one of my favorite places to go for a walk. So that's why I'm going to show you these clips. I'm not going to narrate the clips. I'm just going to show you this kind of a montage, mosaic of little clips of these places with some music in the background. But you can see some of the places we kind of explored and enjoyed here in the springtime. So enjoy the video.